Okay, start by making 11 chains. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay friends, welcome back to my channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make this baby shoes or booties. This is 11 centimeters from this here, from here, see, it's 11 centimeters. So if you want it bigger, then you can make it with a bigger hook size. I'm using a 3.5 mm hook. Okay, so after you made 11 chains, skip this first chain into the second one, make a single crochet and pull this loop a little, and into this single crochet take a loop and single crochet again, like that, and then make, this is our first double crochet, and then make 8 more double crochets. Okay, we will have 9 double crochet from here to here. So this is 2, 3, and this is 4, 5, and this is 9. So 9 double crochet from here to here. On this 10th stitch we will have 8 double crochet in this same stitch. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 double crochet, and again you make 1 double crochet here, 1 in here, 1 double crochet in every stitch until you reach here, and then on the last stitch I'll show you what you need to do. So we have 9 double crochet from this side until we get to this increasing point, and then this 7 double crochet here count as an increase, and this is the first double crochet from this side, this 8 one. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. We have both sides 9 double crochet, and on this 10th stitch again we do what we did here. We will make 7 double crochet because the 8 one already is here. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. And then you join with a slip stitch like that, and here chain 1. Okay, so we will have 6 half double crochet. This chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch, so yarn over and into that same stitch you make 1 half double crochet. 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 half double crochet, and then you make a double crochet again. This is 1, 2, and 3. 6 half double crochet, 3 double crochet, and on this next stitch we will make 2 double crochet in same stitch. This is 2, and then in the next, and we will repeat this 7 times. Okay, we will have 7 stitches with 2 double crochet in each stitch. So this is my second one, this is my third, here is my fourth, increase. Okay, like this. So you will have 7 increases. After that I'll show you. So 7 increases. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And then we do what we did from this side with 3 double crochet. This is 1 2 3, and then we will have 6 half double crochet from here to here, like we have here. 1 2 3 4 5. See, we have 6 half double crochet, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we should end at the same spot here. See, after 6 half double crochet we are at the same space from both sides, and then into the next stitch we will do 2 half double crochet in each stitch. Again we should have 7 increases of half double crochet. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7th one is here. Okay, after 7th I'll show you. So we have 7 stitches with 2 half double crochets each, and then we join. Don't join on this chain one. Okay, join on top of this half double crochet like that. So this is our sole. See, and then to do this part we will do chain 1 and pull this loop, you twist that, and into the same stitch we make a first double crochet, and in this round make 1 double crochet in every stitch all around. Okay, 1 double crochet in every stitch until you get here, and then you join, and I will show you for the next round. So when you are here, then join with a slip stitch, and for this next round, this one, so you will do chain 1, you take a loop and twist that into the same stitch, we make a first double crochet, and we will have 9 double crochet from here to here. This is the first one, this is 2 3. Okay, after 9 double crochet I will show you. So 9 double crochet, 1 2 3 4, and this is 9, and then here into the next stitch and don't close, into the next again, don't close, into the next and don't close. You have 4 loops, and then you pull through all that, a cluster of 3 double crochet. In the next stitch make a double crochet. Again we will make a cluster of 3 double crochet. So 1 2 3, and then you close, and 1 double crochet, again 1. We will have 4 clusters of 3 double crochet. So this is 1 2, and this is our third cluster, and then you close again in between 1 double crochet, and we will, this is a last cluster of 3 double crochet, 2 and 3, and then you close. See, 9 double crochets from here to here, and then you have cluster of 3, 1 double crochet, cluster of 3, 1 double crochet, cluster of 3, 1 double crochet, and this is a cluster of 3 again, and the rest we can continue to make 1 double crochet in each stitch. So I'll see you at the end of this round. So in this round, after you join, chain 1 and start the round just like we did before. Here we will have 8 double crochets from here to here. So this is the first one. So make 8 double crochet. After that I will show you again. So 8 double crochet, 2 4 6 8, and here again we will make 3 clusters of 3 double crochet. So this is the first one. Okay, then you close into the next stitch again, and close. We will do it 3 times. So this is 1 2 and this is a last one. And you close. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and like the video for me. Okay, so for the rest of this round you can do 1 double crochet in every stitch again. Okay, when you reach here you join. When you join this round, so you chain 1 and pull a loop. So here we will make front post double crochet and then back post double crochet, front post again, back post, front post double crochet here, and these 2 double crochet before we have this cluster. I will take both of them and I will finish it as 1 back post double crochet, and then for this cluster, front post double crochet, a front post double crochet for 1 cluster, a back post double crochet for the other cluster, and a front post double crochet here, and these 2 double crochets here we will do what we did in here. So take them both and finish as 1 back post double crochet like that, and the rest you can work 1 front post and 1 back post double crochet. Okay, and your round with front post double crochet, and then you join and start the round again. And then in this round and in the next round you will make 2 more rounds. Okay, this 1 round, and in the next round you repeat what you did here. See here, front post where you have the front post and back post where you have the back post double crochet. Okay, so do this 2 more rounds. Okay, you will have 3 rounds of front post back post. This is 1, this is 2, and with the next round it will be 3. So when you finish that I will see you again. When you finish joining, cut your yarn and then secure like that. Turn this upside down and use your hook. Take the tail into the stitches like this, and I like to end it with a knot. So this is how it looks. It's cute, right? So to tie this, so I make chains. After I finish that, make chains. Okay, make a chains that can go around this, and then you can tie like this. Okay, cut your yarn, secure, and use your hook and take this in like that. So this is how it looks, and if you like, you can attach little pom-poms to the ends here, so it will look even cuter. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more.